Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be making another video, but this time I'm all alone. Wait a sec. Holy crap, look at that car, bro. Speaking of that car, I always wanted to get one of those. But anyways, we are back with another video with this creepy off forest. There's another way in. We're just gonna be connected to this track, but another track down there, which is like down there somewhere. So we're gonna go down there instead. So about this place, there's like rumors about like people going missing here. Well, not that that there was like 3 coyotes and a bunch of wind or something like that. Yeah, so if you wonder why I'm glitching out, like if it sounds like I'm glitching out a little bit because of my Tourette's, aka which is the thing that you want to kill yourself with, because yeah, Tourette's is something that you really don't want to have. Yeah, I could just tell you that right now. We get to have Tourette's. I know. No. Annoying, right? Yeah, but I mean, okay, so what happened here was a giant storm came by and the wind was incredible that it blew the fucking fence off. And yeah. Poison ivy around here. Yeah, I don't want to be around it. You guys hearing this? I hear something. There's ticks in here. Ain't surprised that there's ticks in here. Why is there a fucking Nerf bullet here? So much things to answer in this forest, bro. Why is there... Is this another path? Where could this go? Wait a sec. Damn, look at this place, bro. Like a freaking thunderstorm and stuff like that. Like, look what it did. Freaking teepee the whole forest. Wait. Why is there chairs here? Was someone camping here but got lost? What the hell happened? I mean, this wasn't here before. Because like me and my friend Mason and Dylan and stuff like that, we're having like a childhood dream here, which was very fun, but this wasn't here before. And the whole ass place didn't look like this. Like, that didn't happen. This didn't happen, but that happened, but that didn't happen. The tree wasn't that tall before. And this chair wasn't here before, and this is actually my chair. I don't know why. No, it's actually not my chair. Because, I sent it to a garage sale, but I think someone, I was gonna throw it out because it was broken, but this kind of looks, similar to my chair. Creepy. Let's go the other path. Wait, there's one more path that wasn't here before. Let's check it out. Oh, Jesus. There's a bunch of... Well, I am doing that to avoid ticks from going into my mouth, because yes, ticks can go into your mouth. Like, they would apply on going into your mouth. Like, they definitely would apply. No, that wasn't a tick. That was just something else in my mouth. If there's rain in here, then, yeah, it's not good if it rains. Why? Because, it's gonna soak my sweater, denting my sweater, and causing the tick be more closer to my skin. Not closer, closer. Whew. This place is scaring me. Poison ivy and stuff in it. There we go. Wasn't touched by poison ivy, except for 2 branches of poison ivy. Not on my skin though. Coyote dunk. Bunch of stuff here. Mud here, so the top best way to get more videos on YouTube is to first post a video, then delete it. So that way you have more storage. You know what I'm saying? This scene has money as it was when I walked in. This is the clear spot. This is the safe spot, which is the clear spot. But definitely not because of the branches. They're loose. Probably that one might fall. Yeah. Plus, this place looks a little too ominous. Like, look down there. Shit. I forgot. Quite a sticky situation here. How am I supposed to take a shit if there's no toilet nearby? Yeah. Yuck. There's no toilet nearby, so how am I supposed to take a dump? Because I need to take a dump, yeah. Someone said that there was 3 coyotes in here, so you gotta be careful. They could attack. There's like a 1 in 5 chance around Canada, I think, or 1 in 2, or 1 in... Wait. Oh my god. Yo. I think I see a coyote. Yo, shh, shh. Coyote. She a real hunter. That boy a real hunter now. Holy crap. This place actually kind of cool. This place is actually kind of cool, not gonna lie. I think I might take my nature's walk here now. Not that about the fact that there's like thousands of mosquitoes and 3 coyotes and a bunch of mud, which is poor visibility on walking. That wasn't a coyote? Are you serious? That sound like a person? I heard that there's not people in here. I think I heard a person. What it sounded like. Ugh. I don't know. I go around the edge like that. Yep. Be careful of the branches. Oh my god. There's thousands of mosquitoes. So cold. Mosquito bites aren't just a thing. You could also feel tick bites, which could feel like mosquito bites, making you panic. Yeah. My senses are that it could rain out of nowhere. I don't want any. Yo. Raindrops. Wait a sec. Hmm. I don't know. It seems like it would rain from nowhere. This place looks beautiful though. Does it ever? Oh, felt some rain. Might as well get out of here quick before this whole place gets all muddy. I don't want that. It's gonna rain real fast. I just felt a raindrop. Because calculatingly speaking, when rain did happen, with me and my friend Mason, this other guy who's also named Mason, we experienced like a fucking an anvil cloud or something. So yeah, it was like a couple of raindrops, and the whole thing just started to flood, man. Plus, yeah, I don't want my shoes to get all dirty and stuff like that, because these shoes were like around $35, I think. I don't know. Yeah, that's gonna be $35 down the drain on the styles of the shoes, you know? Don't want that, right? Ooh. Just how it masters that freaking thing. Ooh. This is muddy, so what you have to do is silent walker. Silent walker is like when you're super still and walking, trying not to avoid, like trying to avoid mud and stuff like that. That's called super sense walking, I think. We're almost home. Why? Because it's gonna rain very hard, which is gonna be like RIP. Step over this. This forest is kind of haunted because rain could happen out of nowhere, and you could feel light raindrops, and it could turn into heavy raindrops, which could pour heavily. And I don't want that to happen to me. Go this way because this is the quickest and tick-free way where you can get no ticks, but it's also kind of longer because you're gonna have to go all the way down here, then down there. Just you're gonna go like this, then down there, all the way to my home. There's where I'm supposed to go. I'll post this video to YouTube and delete it so I can have more storage. Oh. Touch tree. Yo. Heard a gunshot. I heard a gunshot. Down there somewhere. Yeah. Like all the way down there. Wonder what it could be. Might be the 3 coyotes that this old ass man was talking about. Wonder if he's right. Plus, the most dumbest thing ever is how the fence is open and it could let any wild animal get free. Like where it could be set free, and that's gonna be bad because I live near this forest, and coyote being near my house is gonna be 1 in 20 because there's no way a coyote could just like climb down freaking rocks that are like big as like garbage cans. But I'll make it a part 2 on this video, so like and subscribe.